Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on messaging here. Then you come to next here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. You come here to SMS delivery reports. Click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's mean SMS delivery reports enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.